2:30 right now, and I'm making my way to O'Reilly's because I did the body work. One of my last videos was the body work, and I'm not 100% satisfied with it. And I think I could do a better job with it. So I at least care about the paint coat. And originally I was gonna leave it primered, but I thought that would have looked hit, and I thought the gloss black Rust-Oleum that I got was gonna blend good. But all right, rolling into O'Reilly's. Here we are, guys, out here in East Hartford. Out here now, I think I got my wallet. Look at the WRX over there. Yo!
There he goes, dude.
That is just hideous. Like, super hideous. And I need to get rid of that. So what I'm gonna do is, when it gets a little warmer out, I'm gonna re-sand this down, and I'm gonna, oh, this WRX is pulling back in. Just had the homie roll up in the WRX. I told this dude to do a pull. Let's see what it says here. I can relate, honestly. That's solid. That fitment right there, guys. Little poking out. Hell yeah. All right, I need to find the paint. I think I went by. All right, so I'm looking for a B92P. That's the paint match, guys, for the Nighthawk Black Pearl. I really wish I had my GoPro on me because I feel like this phone's literally all over the place. So all I'm seeing is this right here, guys, and they're out of it. And that's the B92P Nighthawk Black Pearl. And I think I actually have one in my car. Yo, this TSX is mint. If you're watching this video, that thing looks sick, dude. He's got like the JDM rear tail lights. Got my GoPro. All right, guys, we are out here right now. Hopefully they have Nighthawk Black. Look at this kid, Nighthawk Black Pearl. We got a little project car right there. I got my fingers crossed, guys, because the paint I have now is shot. It's literally like solidifying because it's so old. Look at this variety, guys. Blows the other one out of the water. Where is it? Where is it? Oh. If you guys are looking for this stuff, the paint code is B92P. Just dropped $21.26 on that little paint pen. This. You don't see these like at all. Out here, got some Chipotle.
The state of mind you have to be in when you drive a Cobalt, because your interior is so shitty. You just kind of have to like, it's so depressing that you just have to smoke on it to.
I have a pretty simple interior myself.
Yeah,
in my Civic.
It just takes away like the depression part of your interior. So my parents don't see this.
Damn. All right, guys, just getting home from work. I know this video's been all over the place. All right, so now that I have the paint code, guys, I am just going to simply sand this down here, put some primer on it, and then I'm literally just gonna put a whole fresh layer over this whole imperfected piece. I'm not gonna do it today, guys, just because it's really cold out, and it's gonna be really cold for the next few days. So I'll get it on camera for you guys in the vlog after this one, so you guys could see how the work comes out. You guys are probably like, oh, why didn't you just get a spray paint can or whatever? Also, guys, stay tuned. See what this winter has in store for my old K20Z3 engine. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. So I know the paint that I bought is just for touch-up paint, guys, just for scratches and little dents and stuff like that. Guys, this is just to hold it off until I get the car painted next year. Also, I was inspecting my passenger side, guys. I found more rust on my passenger side on the right under the door panel. So that's gonna be another thing I'm gonna have to fix for the time being.